Welcome to Infamous. Come this way.
My name is Ross Kittlesey. I'm responsible for the development team who deliver new customer applications as well as amends to existing customer applications. I'm also responsible for pre-sales, and that's all to do with the solution design for new customers. So we have two sites, Dartford and here in Redruth in Cornwall, and the guys are responsible for delivery of customer applications and builds, and that is taking the customer briefs that come in from our new customers and defining the solution, building the solution from data right through to the output. So we've got the full range of outbound channels, so we can do anything from the standard print and selection through customer business and logic and business rules that are applied. The email channel is linked into the back of that, and also SMS. So there's a multitude of channels that we can use for all outbound comms. So historically, we receive data on a daily basis for customers, and based on the business rules and logic that we define at the solution stage, it then goes through that process and is delivered through the channel that is selected by the customer. So a lot of the time, it's normally directed towards the print sector, but increasingly that's becoming more and more email and multi-channel.
So my name's Lorna Brown. I work in the Client Services Department. We'll work with our customers to deliver whatever it is they need. So whether that's something through production, whether that's something through the change management that we do through professional services, that will all come through Client Services. And then we work with the internal teams to deliver that for our customer. Regularly we will have customers saying we'd like to offer X. We will work with the internal teams here to say we can do X, but have you thought about Y and Z as well?
I'm Steve Rowson. I'm the Infamous Head of Operations, as well as being responsible for client services in the UK. I'm here today to show you around the print room, so welcome. We'll also show you the enclosing room and the dispatch area as well. Customers want to communicate with their customers in different ways to get response rates up, and we're here to help them do that. This machine behind me here is our Canon ColorStream 3900. On this system, we print inkjet onto white paper. This factory is actually about 98% white paper now, so we have no pre-printed shells here at all. So this machine will also provide the ability to be able to put perforations in as well, dynamically. You could put gyro perfs in, which we do fairly standard, and also you'll put in 2-inch coupons into documents as well, and that's all driven by variable data. So the Ricoh is a high quality toner-based system. So when you're doing high coverage and you want a nice, solid, consistent colour, those are the devices that will do that. They're ideal for things like wealth management brochures, pension mailing documents, whereas the Ricoh's more based on inkjet, cut sheet, so a lower type of quality, business forms, short run jobs. We've got two Duplo booklet makers, okay? They do saddle stitch documents, variable pages, and we do a lot of wealth management and pension mailing type applications for those. We also do a lot of our own booklet making for T's and C's documents for our customers. So instead of buying those from outside, we can produce those in-house as well. So the Czech printer is a fairly new printer to us. It's a Xerox Nuvera 144 micro machine. Prints about 144 pages a minute. And as part of our Czech Credit and Clearing Company accreditation, that's standard 55, we are able to personalise checks on this site. You can probably hear the embosser tapping away in the background there. We do PayPoint cards, loyalty cards. We can thermally print on cards, we can emboss on cards. We then take those cards and we can match them to card carriers, so letters. So fully personalised letters with variable data matched to a card, and you can never put the wrong card on the wrong letter. We're very, very big with data integrity. Okay, it's such an important topic. But what we do on this site, we've got two systems. We've got a system called SRM, which is our secure, reliable mailing system, which reads a 2D data matrix in the envelope window, which basically guarantees that every mailing we do from this site is 100% correct. We've just invested in a new system, which is an automated production tracking system, and that will take us down to piece level on every single document that we produce in this factory. So every printer and every inserter, we are pulling information from to verify, validate each person's record. And what it does is reinforces our message that at Infamous, we're a safe pair of hands when it comes to people's data. So in here, this is our inserter room. This is where we're taking the personalised documents from next door, bringing them into here and putting them into an envelope. Okay, we can put stuff into an envelope, into a C4 envelope, C5 envelope, and a DL envelope. These machines that you can see here, these are Kern inserters. We work on a free shift basis in here, and we produce over the course of a year about 50 million envelopes. We expect that to grow this year towards the 60 million mark. One of the things that we're able to do next door in the print room, which more and more people are moving towards now, is putting inserts in line. We have a customer who used to have over 100 different variations of T's and C's booklets. On the colour stream, we're able to put those T's and C's pages in the print file. If you've got 500,000 inserts on stock and you want to make a change in one of those documents, you don't have to go for a full reprint now. You can change it in the professional services environment upstairs. You could change it in this morning for this afternoon's print file. Welcome to the warehouse and dispatch area. Every day we have these green dockets, follow every single job through the factory, okay? So on a weekly basis we have approximately about 2,000 of these jobs that come through here. The docket does two things. The docket has the works instructions for the customer and the quality check sheet on the return. So this is where the operators are signing to say that they followed the necessary checks throughout the whole of the production process really. In terms of collections, we have raw mail collecting from here and we have Whistle. Whistle take the mail in the cages, they sort it into Yorks, which get routed to different parts of the country. They then deliver it into Royal Mail. Royal Mail obviously do the final mile, which is delivering it from the IMC centres through to the letterbox.